Hey everybody, it's I Want to Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at installing Umami, a self-hosted Google Analytics alternative on Linux. To get started, launch a terminal and use wget to download the latest release of Node.js. Then we'll extract the downloaded archive, cd into the extracted folder, and copy the Node.js binaries to the system path. We can test that Node and npm are installed by running node-v and npm-v. With Node.js installed, we're ready to install Umami. We'll start by using apt-install to install a MariaDB database backend. Then we'll elevate to a root shell using sudo su and execute the MySQL secure installation script. Follow the prompts to set a root MySQL password and mitigate known MySQL vulnerabilities. Next, we'll connect to the MariaDB database using the MySQL command line utility. Then using SQL commands, we'll create an Umami database as well as a database service account with full permissions to the new database. We'll flush the MySQL privileges, then close the connection to MariaDB and exit the root shell. Now we use apt-install to install the git command line utilities. We'll cd back to our home directory, then use git clone to pull down the Umami source code. We'll cd into the source code directory, then import the Umami database structure to our MariaDB database. We'll use npm install to install dependencies. Then we'll create a new .m file and edit it in the nano editor. Copy the environment variables from the video description, updating the hash salt to something more secure. Then save your changes and close the editor. Next we'll use npm run build to build the Umami application. Once the build process completes, we'll use npm run to start the Umami server. Open a web browser and navigate to the DNS or IP address of the host, :3000. Log in with the username admin and the password Umami. Before we go any further, click the sun icon to switch to dark mode. Then click Settings in the top navigation menu, then Profile in the left navigation menu, and click the Change Password button. Enter Umami as the current password, then enter and confirm a new password and click Save. Log out using the user dropdown in the top right corner of the screen, then log back in using the new password. Welcome to Umami, running on your Linux device.